We had a problem with the roots lifting up all the rocks around the pool, and before we filled the pool back up, we needed to fill in those cracks. So what we did was lift all the rocks up, and then we just trimmed all the roots away. Well, I actually used the chainsaw to do that. It did cost me a chainsaw blade, but I think it saved me about a day and a half doing it. We then pressure cleaned the whole area and the backs and the fronts of all the rocks and the ledge, and then we laid out all the rocks in the right position that we wanted to have the rocks in. They were the same position as the rocks were in, by the way. We then mixed the concrete. We just followed the instructions on the bag of concrete and mixed it all nicely. And, well, then we lifted the rocks, gave it another clean, and then started laying the concrete down. Gave it a few test runs to see if it would start bulging out the bottom, but it didn't. The concrete seems to hold its shape pretty well. So we put all the concrete right to the edge, as close to the edge as we could, made it nice and even looking, and then laid the rock back down, and, well, it fit perfectly. We then trimmed the edge off, made it nice and even, and tried to blend it in with the existing concrete. And, well, we could have done a better job, but it was a good enough job that we thought. And it was then we just kept going around, a bit of a clean, laying more concrete down, right to the edge, and then laid the rocks on, trimming it off as we went. We then started at the other end, putting the concrete down and laying the little rock in. And just kept going along, putting the concrete in. Now, the last batch of concrete that we used, it made it too wet, and that wasn't good. It did start falling out. It did start running into the pool area. It wasn't fun to try and keep that concrete from running out. So my advice is to make the concrete drier than wetter. Especially if you're working in an area like this around the pool where you can't afford for the concrete just to be running everywhere. If it was a rock edge, it wouldn't have mattered, but here it just made life a little bit more difficult. And we made it so any dirt from that garden wouldn't run into the pool either. We wanted to make sure that the dirt would stay away from the pool. But this is the end result here. We just filled in the gaps later on, and, well, I think we did a pretty good job there. And the cracks all fixed, and now we have a pool that we can swim in. And I think it looks very nice. What do you think? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.